Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Samsung wireless battery pack. I got this from the Samsung Experience store in Hanoi, as you can see here. Nicely gift wrapped for me. So let's have a look inside the bag. Actually, you've got some little designs in there. Not sure what they're about, but anyway. Okay, so let's take a look at this wireless charging battery pack. Now these keep coming into stock and being sold so quickly I don't even get a chance. But I left my name on a list and they called me up and told me it was in stock, so I grabbed it. So this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Let's just cut the tape on there. It's in a silver color with a white top, I believe. They also come in gold and pink. Sorry, I didn't show you the box. There we go. So this has English and French by the looks of it on here. Nicely wrapped, nicely boxed, as always with Samsung products. They are getting closer and closer to Apple, I think, every day. So inside we have the power bank upside down as usual, and a small booklet. And in here, looks like we have a charging cable. There we go, a flat type, about 20 centimeter charging cable. Okay, looks okay, nothing special. Quick start guide in about 1,000 different languages. I'll just give you the English version here. Don't forget to pause the video if you want to read anything carefully. I can't have it so that you can read everything. It takes a long time in the videos. But you're quite welcome to pause. So it gives you lots of specifications here. Amperage, charging times, things like that. And it is in about 25 different languages, so it's a good guide to have. Right, so this is the battery pack itself. It's wireless, so you can charge your Samsung device. It's about the same size as a Samsung phone, but it looks a bit thicker. And it's got a little bit of charge in there. I'll have to charge it up before I use it. If you can see, it's got a little red light, and then it's got the Type-C charging port and a USB charging port there as well. So let's try it with the Samsung. There we go, and it's fast charging. Excellent. Let's just show you that again. Okay, charging wirelessly, fast charge, really good, and 10,000 milliamp hours, so it will charge this battery up over 2 times. So with this and the Samsung watch, it will charge the phone and the watch 2 times fully before I need to charge the power bank. I'm sure my wife will have her iPhone XS Max on here as well, which will probably deplete it a bit faster. But it's a nice little thing, nice and compact. You can use it in the car, you can use it in the home. Right, let's just show you it with the watch as well. Okay, there we go. So this is a Samsung watch. And there we go. Charging. So this should work also with things like AirPods and the Samsung Buds as well. Let's just try the other watch. This is the Samsung Active, and there we go, it's charging as well. I don't think it worked with the Apple Watch, even though they're supposed to be Qi compatible. Series 4 should work, but the Series 0, 1, 2, 3, they probably won't work. I haven't got one to check, so I can't test that one. AirPods are working fine. As you can see the little light there. You can see the orange light. They're charging fine. Bring it a bit closer. Can you see that? There we go. Oh, it's gone off. There we go. So they're charging fine. Galaxy Buds will charge as well. So excellent little thing. Subscribe to the channel I'll leave you with a couple of pictures and I'll see you next time.